Going through their trash? Alright, I'm ready to get on to another building. There's a lot of buildings here, honestly. That's the only way to get in? Let me see. You went in. Yeah, I think it can fit. What is up, fam? Welcome back to another crazy episode. Today we are at an abandoned mill. This place was built in the early 1900s and it's still standing here today. Now, we don't know the story behind this place. Our friends from Standard Stealth invited us here, guys. Check them out. I'm gonna put their links down below. And guys, we're gonna get right into this video. Hope you guys are ready. Smash that like button, fam, and let's do this. All right, guys, we made it onto the property. This place is crazy. What?
I didn't remember that. There's a windmill or a thing.
Really?
I don't know what it's called.
Dang, that is cool. Alright guys, so we're gonna check this place out. I was told that they used to make furniture here. Damn, it stinks, guys. It's got a really bad odor to it. I'm not sure exactly what it is. So this is what Chelsea was talking about. I wonder what they use that for.
Water.
I mean, oh, you think?
Yeah, because over here there's this little faucet.
Mm-hmm.
Turn the water on. Right there.
I mean, you definitely won't want to stick your hand in that when it's moving. Oh, it's pretty cool, guys. So I guess there's a lot more of these buildings. We're gonna go take a look, see what other buildings are here. It's a pretty cool little place, though, I gotta say. All right, let's go see if we can go find some of the other buildings.
You getting some B-roll?
Oh, you hear that? What is that? Sounds like something's walking up there. You hear that?
It's the rain.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's weird. Sounded like something. This place is pretty big, actually. I didn't think it would be as big as it is. But for an old furniture place, don't know if there's any spirits here. Is there any spirits here? Want to make anything happen? Wow. You can tell it's pretty overgrown. We had to take a little bit of a hike to get here, but not too bad. Wow. Going through their trash?
Yeah, it's just trash.
Alright, I'm ready to get on to another building. There's a lot of buildings here, honestly. What was that? What is that? What the hell was that? Seriously? Where are they at? nothing over there. Is that the road? Oh, that's the road. Okay, we don't want to point the lights out the road.
Where are they?
I don't know. Oh, they're over there. I just seen their light.
No, they're in here.
Yeah, I know. That's freaking weird.
That really was weird. Well, there's another level, I think. So maybe something's up.
There's another level to get up there? I didn't see any stairs.
There's actually like an office area.
Uh-huh. Where? Down there? What's down there? Is it a room or is it just a little... Oh, shoot. Oh, that's the only way to get in?
There's another way, but I can't remember.
Well, I say let's go through.
That's how we went in the first
Let me see. You went in through this way last time? Yeah. Oh, spiderweb in the face. What's the problem being taller than everybody else? Yeah, I think I can fit. Wow. What is this? There's gotta be a doorway somewhere, right? Wow, that's really creepy. Wow. So I guess this is considered the basement. Huh. There's a random toilet just standing here. Oh, what's this room? It's a weird, weird angle for a wall. I guess that was glass. Yeah, it was all glass at some point. What's in here? Oh, it's the main room. That's pretty cool. Let me know if you guys hear or see anything in this video. A lot of times. Yeah. You listen.
It's not even existed. I'm sad.
Watch your feet. I didn't know there was another room.
Yeah.
Yeah, I totally missed all this. Wow, this is a really big basement. I'm trying to be quiet so you guys can hear anything. It's hot, but it's cold in here.
Can we go to the right? Oh, there's a lot of rooms in here.
There is. I think this room's seen better days, huh?
Oh yeah. Like look at that. It's like damn.
I know, it's crazy.
See, do you hear it like ticking every 2 seconds?
What the hell was that? It sounded like the freaking ceiling was gonna cave
I
down.
thought the ceiling was gonna cave in.
Holy crap. That was scary. That made me jump. What the hell? It sounded just like the freaking thing was gonna come down. I mean, look, it is kind of coming down. That's so weird, guys. Chelsea's camera just all of a sudden just stopped working. Like it's not working anymore. She put a new battery in, it's still not working. Has that ever happened?
Not like that.
Alright, well, we'll just share my footage. The rest of this footage. Guys, it is so freaking hot. Like, I'm burning up. Seriously. It's not even that hot in here. It's kind of cold, right?
See, I'm fine with my dress.
Where?
Smells baby.
Oh, yeah, you're right. What are you guys doing?
Yeah, what are you doing? All I hear is risk our lives.
This is the second floor.
Oh,
Second
dang.
floor.
So I'm just going.
She's in there.
Is there anything up there?
There's a whole other floor. There's some random stuff up here. It gets like a little more fancier.
Really? Okay, we're gonna have to check it out, I guess. All right, which way do you go? How did they go? They use those stairs?
No, he went here, put a foot there, put hands up there, and lifted his whole body.
You guys want to check out this second floor? Go ahead and check out Stater Stell's video, guys, because I'm not going up there. They could go. Oh,
I'm
dang.
not leaving you.
I mean, I could probably do it, but I just, nah, I don't know. You don't want to take those stairs? I guess those stairs aren't really there.
They're down there.
Wow. Definitely some spookiness. No. Oh, wait a minute. We got to get out of this area. We have to find that place where we have to crawl out of the wall. Do you remember where that was? Oh, dang, guys. Like, we totally forgot.
I don't know.
It's a big room.
I heard her talking about it. It's gotta be
So-
by the window.
Yeah, but no, the windmill is before, after we came in here. There's a hole in the wall. We are kind of trapped in here right now. Spooky, what's in here? Nothing. You know how much stuff we miss at some of these places sometimes? I don't know. Maybe it's this way. Do you see anything in here? That was my shadow. We were just in here a second ago. What was that? Is there somebody here with us?
Hello?
Did you bring the spirit box? Oh, dang, me neither. Yeah, we should have brought that. Wait, I don't know.
Wait, is this a door? Oh, spiders.
Oh, they're all over you.
I'm okay.
Yeah, I really do not see that hole in the wall.
Oh, that's right. You did crawl through a hole.
Is that it over there?
Oh, that's it.
That is it.
Wait.
Found it. Alright fam, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't that long. My battery's about to die. This is like our third video we filmed today. But this place was absolutely crazy, guys. Definitely something I might want to come back check out at 3 a.m. another time, next time we come out to this city, guys. But thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to me already, just click up here. And I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Until next time, fam. Love ya. Peace.